Here is how to set up authentication in 5 minutes with Next.js Full-Stack-Kit. First, visit the docs to clone the repository after you get access. Once you've done that, go to the app.config.ts file, then in the auth section, set the providers you want to enable to true. In my case, I want sign-in with Google, GitHub, and Magic Link. Next, follow the documentation to get your client ID and secret for the providers you enabled. Next, run the local server by running the npm run dev command. Visit your app on http://localhost 3000. Click on the sign-in button to test your setup. And just like that, you have authentication set up with Magic Link, Google, and GitHub and ready to go. Full-Stack-Kit is a set of full-stack Next.js pre-built features, expertly crafted to help you ship your projects in a short amount of time and avoid headache. Visit Full-Stack-Kit.dev now to get started with Full-Stack-Kit. You also get lots of other time-consuming features like HTML email, internationalization, light and dark mode, payments and subscriptions with Stripe, where user can subscribe to your app, upgrade, cancel and resume subscription plans. It is also integrated with Stripe Webhook and Stripe Customer Portal so that users can update their payment methods, see and download invoices, etc. On top of that, you get lots of nice components and sections to build your landing page and UI with Tailwind CSS. Visit Full-Stack-Kit.dev now to get a head start on your Next.js projects and avoid headache. We also have an active Discord community of passionate developers to help you out when you get stuck.